Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for all the support given for the previous videos that I have uploaded. In the comment box, one student requested me to show the solution of one volume and surface area question. So in this video, I am giving you the explanatory solution, detailed solution for that question. Students, please consider my channel as the doubt clearing channel. Any doubt you get in mathematics, feel free to ask. I will solve it immediately and it will be uploaded as the earliest. The doubts may be any doubts in mathematics, children. Let it be a high school maths, higher secondary maths, engineering mathematics, any aptitude questions from competitive examinations, reasoning question, any math puzzle. Feel free to put it in the comment box. I will solve it immediately and upload it as the earliest. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for the cooperation. Now let us see what is the question asked by her. See, here is the question. A boy is made in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone whose base coincides exactly with the plane surface of the hemisphere. The radius of the base of the cone is 4.2 centimeters and its volume is 2/3 of the hemisphere. Calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the ball. Here is the diagram. The figure looks like this. It is a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. What is the height of the cone is the question. And what is mean by right circular cone? The angle between the height and base radius. Height and base radius is 90 degrees like this. This type of cone is called right circular cone. Also given the base radius is 4.2 centimeters. That is what is given in the question, right? Now the question is find the height of the cone and also the surface area of the boy. But it is given that to find out volume of the cone is equal to 2/3 of the volume of the sphere. So what is the prior knowledge you should be knowing? Prior knowledge you should have to answer this question. Two things, volume of the cone and volume of the sphere. What is the volume of the cone? Children, recollect. Volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h cubic units. Right? And volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere. Hemisphere is equal to, actually volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, where r is the base radius, right? Radius of this base radius of the cone I am talking about. Now for sphere, we just say radius of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Hemisphere means half of that. So therefore, 2/3 into pi into r cube cubic units. So you have to know these formulas, otherwise it is very difficult to answer the question, right? So knowing this formulas is a must, right? Now, what is given in the question? Since cone is surmounting the sphere, hemisphere, radius of the cone, radius of the base of the cone is equal to radius of the hemisphere. Radius of the hemisphere. This is point number 1, right? Also, what is given? Volume of the cone is equal to 2/3 of volume of the hemisphere. This is what is given in the question. 2/3 of the volume of the hemisphere. Now tell me, what is the volume of the cone now? 1/3 into pi, right? Into r square into h is equal to 2/3 of, what is the volume of the hemisphere? 2/3 into pi into r cube. I am writing the same r because here radius of the base of the cone is same as radius of the hemisphere. So therefore, the same r cube. Now what is getting cancelled actually? What is getting cancelled? Here pi and pi is getting cancelled. 3 and 3 is getting cancelled. R square, it's getting cancelled with r cube. Only one r remains. Therefore, tell me what is left out here? Implies h is equal to 2 into 2, 4/3 into r. In the problem, it is given that r is 4.2 centimeters. Therefore, what is h? 4 into 4.2, which is 16.8 divided by 3. That is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Therefore, the first question, height of the cone. So what is the first question? Height of the cone. Height of the cone is equal to 5.6 centimeters. This is the first answer, children. Right? Height of the cone is 5.6 centimeters.